Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Music Share on your Samsung Galaxy device. So Music Share lets you connect your Bluetooth speaker or headphones and then share that connection with friends without disconnecting your own. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up Settings, scroll down and find Advanced Settings. So here you want to go ahead and find Connections, and then from there you want to go ahead and find Bluetooth. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the three dots and then tap on Advanced Settings. From here, you're going to find Music Share. Tap on this and turn this feature on. So as you can see, it lets nearby friends play music on your Bluetooth speaker. So on this phone, you need to turn on Music Share and then you need to connect to a speaker. On your friend's phone, you need to go to the list of Bluetooth devices and tap the speaker to connect, then start playing the music. So both phones needs to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on while sharing. So as you can see, you can configure all this. So you can share devices with your contacts only or with everyone. You can ask permission to connect, and you can disconnect when nothing is played for 10 minutes. So these are the Bluetooth devices which you can connect to. However, you can go ahead and expand this by connecting to more Bluetooth devices. So this is perfect for parties or group settings. You don't have to keep reconnecting Bluetooth every time someone else wants to play music. So it keeps the vibe going seamlessly. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the Music Share feature on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.